Hello, Professor. This is Alejandro Cespedes. As you can see, it is currently April 7th, 2020 at 3:21 p.m. Now, I have this code here with the accelerometer all hooked up to it. If we look at the serial monitor, we can look that the numbers do in fact change, right, when I move it around. But what does each one mean, right? Well, for that, we need to look at the serial monitor for a more clear picture of what's going on, right? And if we do this, we see that the numbers change anytime I move it in a certain direction of, the 3D axis. Now, from what I gathered, the red is the pitch of the device. So kind of like how it's good to compare it to like an airplane, right? Red would be the pitch of the nose, right? So whenever I go down, the pitch of the plane goes up and down, right? Now, if you see, the green one is moving with it, but but that's not necessarily the pitch. That's something else. I get into it in a second. Blue is like the roll of the plane, right? So when a plane goes left to right, how it banks, right? That's basically measuring in degrees what that banking is, right? Oop, the system clock disconnected. Okay, so from there, then what's z-axis, right? What's the green? Okay, so the green is actually the height of the device, right? And I speculate the way it calculates it is by measuring the rate of the difference in height, right? So it calculates the momentum or something like that, and it knows when it's going up and down, since obviously this isn't complicated enough to have a GPS system inside. Anyway, yeah, this is part one. Thank you, Professor. Hello, Professor. This is Alejandro Cespedes. This is part two of the assignment. Right now it is 3:31 p.m. on April 7th, 2020. Now, got a little bit of practice in this game, okay? And in the previous part, I said that the red was the pitch, but it turns out it was actually the roll. I got them a little bit confused. At least that's how this game was programmed. But yes, as you can see, that the game not only works, but I am pretty good at it, right? It seems to only read one value, right? The other values, the y and the z, don't matter. So it's just reading in the x. But anyway, yep. This is my assignment, and thank you, Professor.